I want to introduce you to somebody new at New Tech Advertising. This is the free AI guy. He is the guide inside my office for people who want to understand AI and figure out how it can actually help their business. And yes, the education is free. There is a lot of talk about AI right now, new tools every day, new words to learn, and plenty of pressure to hurry up and use it. But most small business owners don't need more pressure. They need somebody to explain it in plain language. That is why I created the free AI guy. Free means you can come in, look around, ask questions, and learn at your own pace. You can talk about your business, your frustrations, and what AI is actually good at without needing the perfect prompt or technical words. We'll guide you through free lessons, articles, and practical examples built right into the New Tech Advertising office. The goal isn't to impress you with tech talk, it's to help you understand what matters and decide what makes sense for your business. AI can help you think and organize, but your experience and judgment stay in control. The guy is here to help you work with AI without changing who you are or how you think. Think of our website as an office you can walk into. The free AI guy is there to welcome you. Don't have to have everything figured out before you arrive. Just bring your curiosity. If you're a small business owner, visit newtechadvertising.com today and meet the free AI guy. You don't have to become an expert overnight, you just need a place to start. Start with the free AI guy. Come on into New Tech Advertising and see how AI can help your business.